Hello, in this video, I will show how to install Jquery in a Vue3 project. The first thing we have to do is go to the CDM, to the terminal, where is our Vue3 folder. So we write cd in our Vue3 folder. Then we write npm install Jquery. We wait. And when we already have it, we are going to write the following to solve the problem that says could not find a declaration file for module Jquery. npm install save dev at types Jquery. After installing it, we verify that it is in the package.json of the folder where we are. 3. Then we go to where we are going to use it. Under the template section, for example, and in the section where the script is located, we put the following: import Jquery from Jquery. We close. And then the window Jquery. And we close. Then we can check if it works.